Hey everyone. Welcome back to Product Review. Today, we have something exciting to unbox, the PROVOGUE 35-liter laptop backpack. This backpack is designed for students, professionals, and travelers, featuring a rain cover, reflective strip, and a spacious 35-liter capacity. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more unboxings and reviews. Now, let's get started. Here it is. The PROVOGUE 35-liter laptop backpack in its brand new packaging. First impression? Feels lightweight, yet sturdy. The material looks premium and water resistant. The reflective strip on the front enhances visibility at night, a great safety feature. It has a sleek, modern design, available in 10 different color options. The fabric feels durable and water resistant. Smooth zipper quality, looks durable and easy to open/close. Well padded shoulder straps and back panel for extra comfort. The reflective strip helps in low light conditions, perfect for cyclists and bikers. Main compartment, spacious 35-liter capacity, fits books, clothes, or gadgets. Laptop sleeve, holds up to a 15.6-inch laptop, well padded for protection. Front pocket, ideal for small accessories like a charger, wallet, or keys. Side mesh pockets, perfect for water bottles or umbrellas. Comes with a built-in rain cover to protect against unexpected showers. Easy to use, just unfold and cover the backpack. As you can see, the water slides right off. This bag comes with so many pros. This is stylish and lightweight. Spacious 35L storage. Padded laptop compartment. Water resistant plus rain cover included. Reflective strip for night safety. Cons of this bag are: no USB charging port. No anti-theft zipper. So, is this backpack worth it? If you need a durable, stylish, and budget-friendly laptop backpack with rain protection and extra safety features, the PROVOGUE 35L laptop backpack is a solid choice. Let me know in the comments what you think. Would you buy this? Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome reviews. See you in the next video. Take care.